Now that you've made your fillable worksheet and you would like to launch it, put it out there for the students to see. By the way, I put instructions down here, so in case you don't want to watch the last video on this, it's fine. But if you want to put this now on Google Classroom, I'll show you how to do that. So open a window and pull up your Google Classroom. And let's put it in here. I'll just do a for fun one here. So you're going to click on Create. You're going to click on Assignment, or whatever it is, but assignment is usually the best thing because then it'll go on the class Google Calendar and then they'll know that they have to get it done by such and such a time. So click on Assignment, Title, Practice, Worksheet, Instructions, open the worksheet and fill in the and answer the questions in the boxes. Questions by typing in the boxes. Always have to be as clear as possible. These are 6th graders, so of course they need to. So you're going to go down here to Add, and you can do it from Google Drive. You could have the link from the document, but I would just go into Google Drive, and then right here's my sample fillable worksheet. It's the recent is the one thing you just added right now. And then here's where you need to really be careful. Over here where it says students can view file, you need to click on that and say make a copy for each student. That way each student answers the questions on their own and then can turn it in through Classroom. Then of course, again, you can schedule when you want this to show up, or you can assign it right away. You can click on which students you want to do that. You can select some of the students or all of the students. You can decide on how many points it's going to be. You can put in a due date and a time. You can also put in a topic depending on what your topics are if you have one. If you don't have a topic, then you don't have to worry about it and just put it in no topic. You can upload a rubric for it. I don't know that you need the rest of this stuff for just a fillable worksheet, but that's how you would do it. And then you'd click Assign. And then it will show up, which I'm not going to do because I don't want my students to see an assignment for something like that worksheet there. And then it will show up here either underneath something, or see it showed up here as a draft. Then you can either edit it or delete it if you're not ready to assign it, or you're not sure how you want to do it yet, but you can at least get it in there and then you know what's going to happen. Okay, so once again, Create, Assignment. Big issue was when you add your Google Drive doc, whatever it is, you add it and then change it to make a copy for each student. That's the most important part. Okay, so that's what we've got. I hope that helps you.